ads are here. Pausing for ads.
Hello, 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 and welcome back to another live stream. How's it going, everyone? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hope you're all doing well. Happy Wednesday. We're just over halfway through the week, making our way closer to the good old weekend. I don't get to look forward to Elden Ring anymore, so I guess that's the thing. No more Elden Ring. Yeah. Hello, good guts. Welcome, welcome. How's it going? I'm doing all right. You know, looking forward to another day of trying to learn Common UI. After yesterday's stream, I did hit up the Unreal Source Discord and asked about some Common UI questions I had. So I did like 3 nodes worth of stuff. I know, crazy. Off stream. Yeah, we'll continue with getting it. Hello, the Found Studio. Welcome in. How's it going? Hope you're doing well. Widgets are annoying. Some parts of widgets are annoying. Can't be that hard, man. It's not about being hard. It's not hard if you know it, right? Things that are hard are just things you don't know. Once you know them, right? Speaking Japanese isn't hard if you know how to speak Japanese. But speaking Japanese is very difficult if you don't know how to speak Japanese. Same thing. If you know widgets, widgets are easy. If you don't know widgets, widgets are hard. I know, it's a crazy concept. The difficulty is just a matter of how much you know about something. Now, it's not always about knowledge. Some things are like physically difficult, of course, but, right? Like opening a bottle. I mean, only the strongest people can do that. But Anyway, the plan for today, yeah, is to continue with our common UI stuff, and get that good stuff going. So basically, what we have now is this, where I can go and select the cards. And one thing you might notice is it doesn't quite go. It goes to the next line, the first one over, and then when I go up, it goes to the last one. So if I'm here, right there, and press up, it goes to that one. But I want it to go up, and sometimes it does that, and sometimes it doesn't. But the thing is, what I can't do, no matter what, is have it go to the next one over, or like loop on itself. If I continue pressing right, it doesn't do anything. Now I can have it wrap around itself on the line, but I don't want to do that. So we need to do some custom stuff. The other thing is, if I have this selected, like let's say here with my mouse, and then I use the controller, it selects the first one. It doesn't go off of whatever was selected. So I want to do like all of this stuff. So we have like good combination of controller and mouse. But to do that, basically we need to have not this open. I don't need that. We need to have the cards store the index that they're in. Because I need to know which card is where, and be able to pull that index when we hover over that information. So, let's do that. Add a new variable, card index slot, or I guess card slot. Right, index. Yep, because we're gonna be it's all part of an array effectively. So I need to store which slot it is. By default, I will put it as like, I don't know, 9999. So that way, if we return something that big, obviously it's wrong. It wasn't being get set. Now, what I want to do is on hover. Not on hover, on select. So what you can do here is go to here. And I just want to use one of the common stuff. I don't want on select changed. So I guess I can do on select event. Can I not do on selected? Yeah, I guess not. I have to do it on selected changed. I don't think I should do it on. There we go. So when it's selected, I want to do an event dispatcher, and this is going to be get card index. Get card slot index. Call that. And the other thing is I need to add a variable in here, and we need to send the index. So we need to set the integer. And pass that through. And the other thing is I want to do is I could make a function to set the card slot index, but there's no reason to. So I think this is fine. Also, why refresh? Okay. So now, when we populate the cards, when we generate them, here, All the way over. We can do a set card slot index for the card when you generates it. And the index will be the index of the array. Would you look at that? I know, crazy. The index of the array is the index of the card. And then we need to do a bind event to get card index. So inventive, creative. I know. It's the best. And then we've got a new function called set card index, which card slot index. The variable card slot index. Why is it why is it talking about? Are you sure you want to overwrite it as though I have it placed somewhere? Okay, odd. Do I somehow have? Wait. What? Oh, I have it here, and it thought I'm using the same one. Okay, so this should be fine. Should be fine. This takes this and this. Create event. Set card slot index. All it needs is an integer. So basically now it should already work. We did a little print string here. So if I do this, it doesn't change. But if I did this, nope. Why no change? Unselected. Why is it not detecting selected? Nope. Okay, great. Good start. Good start. Why is it the way it is? I don't know. I doubt it's hovered. I thought it should be selected. Oh, it goes on hovered. So it actually triggers hovered, not selected. Okay, that's fine. If anything, that makes my life a little easier. So I guess we won't use this. We'll do this on hovered. So it doesn't matter what the mode is. As long as it's not preview mode. I think that's fine. I can move it later if needed. So now if we did this, yep. So up there, you get prints of the index. And if I did this, we still get prints of the index. That. Beautiful. And to make sure that it's working outside of here, that we're getting the information, I'll just go ahead and go back to the art collection and print it here. Yep. Probably hard to see if you're not full screen, but yeah, we're getting it. Now, the reason we need this is because inside of our text over here, we're specifying the child at location, but I want to specify the child that we have last selected. So I'm going to get out from here, get card slot index and plug that in. So now, if I'm here and I have this selected, right? I've hovered over this and now I press left, right, it goes off of where I was. So if I move my mouse and I move it here and I press right, I am now working off of that location. So that's step one. The next step is, the first thing I want to do is change the fact that I cannot select, or there's no selection quotes of the ones that are unhandled or in deck already. I still want it to be shown as a selection. So let's change that real quick. So we can go. Let's actually comment this on hovered. On hovered. Instruction. Start putting these. Let's put them together. Okay. So basically here we're doing it just if it's selection or deck available. But really we just care if it's not preview mode. So if I remove this. You'll trigger it, but I think in here I also check, right? As long as it's not deck unavailable. So here, yeah, and then I need to clear it, obviously. But why does it not get clear? Because here you don't do it on deck unavailable. So really, I can just do the same thing I did before. Just check that it's not preview mode. And then just do this. So now we still have the selection there. Excellent. Now, let me check. Let me grab some cards that are... Let's grab this one. A dark purple. I just want to check that... Yep, it still maintains its color. even on the selected ones. Now I can't do anything with them. I can't drag it, but the colors and everything maintains. Fantastic. Okay. Okay, so that part's done. So now when I move it, right, it makes more sense because even though I have something deselected, it's still selected. So now I want to customize this. That when I go right, it goes right and then loops. So the way it works, as I've learned, is in the designer on the grid panel, there's this navigation section. Navigation's important. So I can do things like I can change it to like wrap, explicit, custom, etc. So if I did wrap, for example, right, and I have these selected and I pressed right, it doesn't wrap because of course it doesn't. It should wrap. Why no wrap? Let me change up down to wrap. Oh, it might be next that I need to wrap. Nope. I don't know why. Sometimes it was doing it as a test at one point. Like it was going up and down and proper. I don't know why it's not consistent. Probably a me thing. Probably a me thing. Either way, we have to do custom. So basically, when we do right, custom function that determines what the widget is navigated to, apply when the itself or any children are navigated from. So we do custom, create a function, and basically we need to return the card. So we do card slot index, and then we need to increment it. What is this? Ah, okay. So we can just do it all in this one. So here, if we're going right, increment it. And then we need to get the grid. And then get child at the new index. So now if I did right, yeah, it just goes to the next line and continues on. Now it no longer scrolls, because of course it doesn't. It scrolls when I go up and down, but now when I hit next, because of course it doesn't. I'll deal with that later. let's do this part first. It's always going to return this, so we can do this here. Actually, we can do a sequence here. Let's do a sequence. I'm gonna do whatever it needs to do here, and then it's going to return. So if it's left, I know, crazy, we're going to decrement it. Crazy stuff, I know. Again, game-breaking things, never been seen before. Oh, but I need to in the designer, navigation, left, custom. Okay, why does left not work? Why not work? 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Oh, now it works. I had a print string and it starts working. Because, you know, that's how it should be, right? You do print strings and then it starts working. Okay. Now it can go negative, so I'm printing negatives. Let's fix that. So Helford, welcome in. How's it going, everyone? Welcome. Thank you for the raid. How's your stream? What were you up to? Hello, Lazy Turtle Nappy Time. What a name. Nappy Time sounds nice, and being lazy sounds awesome too. Hello, Helford. What are you guys up to? I'm currently designing, working on the deck builder part of my game. But we're rechanging things up with Common UI. So instead of my mouse is hidden in this version. So we're adding in controller support and all that good stuff. Made some progress on Long Gone, the game you're making. Nice. You're slow as a turtle anytime. Good. Oh yeah, anytime is good for nap time. For those that are new, this is a roguelike 2.5D action game, I guess. You have it's a roguelike, but it's not room based. So it's like an action RPG. And you get options to basically get power-ups that all stack together. So there's a bunch of them at different tiers that you can unlock. That's why you have a deck builder, so you can build your run to the way you want to play the game. So for example, right now you saw me, I was meleeing, but if I got an air blade, then now I'm going to be shooting a projectile as well as melee. And then I can stack things. So like, for example, I can do multi-hit, which does extra melee attacks and extra projectiles. So now I just shoot more projectiles. And then I can continue stacking things. I can get lifesteal. I can get extra boosts like damage, of course. Culling Strike sounds great. This is my debug screen, by the way. You don't just get access to everything to give yourself, I should point out. And things like orbiting orbs, stack, fire aspect to have them bleed, fire trails, auras, things, all the good stuff that you'd want. You can see it all stacks together. And you can have a run purely based on a dash mechanic, another run based off of projectiles, another one run based on melee, and basically you fill up this bottom bar at the bottom, yeah, words. And once you get to one of the notches, you get actually an option for one of 3 power-ups from your deck. That's what the deck comes in. And so you can customize how you want your run to go. So if you want your run to have a certain power-up, you put it into your deck. If you don't want the power to appear, then you don't put it in your deck. But you get option of 3 cards. Try to get enough here to... There you go. You get option of 3 cards from your deck, but you only choose one of them, and the other 2 go away. So for example, I can get Cleave, increase my attack radius, or crit damage up, or lifesteal. So when you're building your deck and you want like a 3-card combo, well, you better pray that those 3 cards don't all appear at the same time and you only get to choose one. So you gotta figure out how you wanna build your deck, but you can just choose one, and then you have your collected cards. And you can see all of them together. And some of them stack between each other, some of them don't. But you can see all of them. So that's kind of the game. And there's currently like 3 bosses that probably need more work. Well, everything needs more work. It's all prototyping right now. But yeah, right now we're working on the actual UI aspect of it, where adding in controller support, because that's important. So we made it be able to loop through next row and previous row.
Pausing for ads.
Nope. And we pause for ads here. If anyone's new. So you don't miss anything. Although those of you, I guess, that have ads right now can't hear me, so the rest of us know. What's your game about, Helfort? If you can hear me. And then ads. Yeah, ads. Can't stop them. I wish I could stop them. I guess. Damn. This would be probably a terrible way to stop them. But didn't Twitch just recently add like a tag you give yourself, like if you're controversial, and then stops ads? I guess technically speaking, you could theoretically probably do that. A tag or whatever it is. I could do that and stop ads. But I don't want to be associated with that, so it's like pros and cons. Yeah, wait for ads, and we continue with Okay, let's continue. So right now, when we're going through our cards, oh, I need to print the string here. Do a quick print string of the slot index. Debugging. So right now we're able to go negative index, and then we have to go spam it a bunch and go back in positive. So we don't want that. We want to make sure that don't go over. And if we do, then I want to cycle back onto the end. So if the card slot index is equal to 0, so if it's not, it goes ahead and decrements it. But if it is, we're gonna set it to be grid panel available cards and get children count. Now I need to do children count -1 because it starts at 1 child is 0. Hey, Stormer, welcome in. How's it going? Hope you're doing well. Welcome. And actually, let's do the other direction as well right away. So this is if it is actually, I do need also an equal here. So in this one, if it is equal to the children count -1. It's not, then we do this. If it is, this one's easier, set it to be 0. Let's slightly change just the cleanup of this. So I could do this. Collapse. Right. Left. I started using these collapse nodes, honestly. Quite nice. You got it to where your river starts making sound when you get near it, then louder when closer, and the sound sticks to the spline points. It's always accurate specialization. Nice. Also fixed your river glitches. Nice. When you lower the screen longer, the shaders take to load. Then you hit the river body, and the loading screen is gone. Sweet. Sounds like a nice big success. So we can still go right, we still go left, but if we go left, 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 left again, and I scroll down, go here, right, left, so it works. It just, the scroll doesn't happen. Goes to 25, 0, 25, 0. Okay, so it's working. Why does the scroll... Is there a way to get the scroll to work? Scroll when focus changes is set. And... when I do up and down, it does it. When I do my custom things, it doesn't. So... it doesn't work in custom? Oh, is it because the focus isn't being changed? Oh, hold on. Before I do this, then. Set focus on you. Can I do that? Set user focus. Not this one. Set user focus. I don't think this is what I need to do, but let's find out. You're working on footsteps on different painted terrain. Nice. So the grass will sound different from the rock trail. Nice. It always sounds like you got wet shoes. I mean, do you though? If you just always have wet shoes, then it's accurate. Okay, so this doesn't work. So why is it when I do left right, it does sorry, if I do up down, it does it, but not left right. There's no extra focus here. I don't care about the style. Scroll, visible, always show, no. Allow over scroll. Disable to stop scroll bars from activating inertial over. Should be fine. Navigation destination into view. It's already set to into view. Right click, drag scrolling. I do like scroll widget into view. Here we go. What if we did this? Widget define. Oh, I still need to return it. Widget define is that. Sure, animated into view, padding 0. Yeah. Oh, seems fine. Oh, it works now. Oh, did it? Now, I don't like this padding 0, but figured it out. There's a lot of water in your maps. Maybe it's never dry. Yeah, there we go. And plus, let's be honest here. A wet environment with lots of reflections looks pretty. Right? Like, it just always looks better rainy. There it is. Right? I mean, like, come on. Let's be honest, right? That looks good because it's rainy. If that was not raining right now, this would just be whatever. No, it's not the exposure and the fact that it's way oversaturated to not be realistic and the fact that it's a bit stylized in a lot of different things. No, it's not that. It's just the rain. It's just the rain makes you think that they've increased and tweaked the saturation and colors and made it, but no, it's just the rain. Hey, Sarah Riffs, welcome in. How's it going? Hope you're doing well. Welcome, welcome. Hope you're doing well. You want an open world kind of thing where you could find cards or card pieces out in the woods and restore them or add them to your deck about random people in the game or in towns? You're trying to add now a deck builder? Yeah. So you're making effectively something like Gwent for Witcher 3, right? Where it's not the main point of the game, but it's a nice like mini game within the game. This is a little fun extra thing. That was your plan before you're currently. You see what other devs are streaming? Yeah, I'm currently working on the deck builder part of the game. I have a deck builder. I should really fix the fact that my mouse disappears when I do this. Let me change that. Because when I'm doing the demo for that, it doesn't help me. We're adding controller support for everything and making it nice. Yeah, I guess it's in here. Boom. Yeah, just do this. There you go. Yeah, because why is my mouse still gone? Is it big? Before I couldn't get my mouse to disappear, and now you're telling me I'm just gonna have it won't reappear? Oh. No, I don't think this I can get rid of, so. What happened? manage this. Whatever. I'm replacing it anyways with the common UI version. But it just, of course it is. That's what your terrain and people are designed for. It seems so hard. You were wrong. What you're doing seems impossible now. Impossible in what way? Like timeline-wise, maybe you are trying to do a massive project. Got really far. You're sticking with the open world Pokemon style battles. Yeah, that's a massive game. You're basically trying to create, you know, PAL World / Arceus, right? In a sense. And slightly large games on that. Slightly large. Okay. Next up, let's do up and down. So I'm just gonna duplicate this. All this up. So if okay, I don't need to do a check here. Well, I do. I do because I want to. If I press up, I need to loop back around. No, if I can't go any more, I'll set it to be 0. Okay, so if it is less or equal to 8, then we just set it back to 0. So it goes to the very beginning. Otherwise, we're going to set the index to whatever it is plus 8. I love when I search add, it defaults as to viewport. That's wonderful. That's exactly what I wanted. And I don't need this then. But instead of a gigantic world, there are lots of different, bigger sized islands, so performance is better. You don't know level streaming yet, or whatever it's called, partitions? Yeah, there's 2 different ones. So there's level streaming and level instance streaming. I'll throw them kind of in the same thing. Basically, you're loading and unloading full levels. Which is how the Dungeon Architect plugin that I use is. And the other option is World Partition, which kind of partitions one single world into like sub-chunks and loads and unloads based on the radius. Basically. I think that's probably the, a very dumbed down version of the explanation. But I think that kind of explains it. Okay, this one, if it is greater or equal to, I need to get the last children count. So it's the last children count and not -1, and then it's the last one. So I guess -8. Then it goes to the last one. So, press down. Oh. I did the thing that I always do, which is I do something and then I forget to assign it. Custom. I don't know what next and previous is. But up, yep. Ooh, down didn't work. Up, down. Is it not up and down? Is it next and previous or something? This is a different row. Up, down. No, it's up and down. Okay. Did I do the math? Did I do something wrong? If it is less or equal to, so it should come here. Oh, did I just say up? Up, I made plus. I meant to, this is supposed to be minus. These are backwards. These are backwards. Because when you press up, it needs to go... Oh, just this part is backwards. You need to check if it... No? Wait. Confusing myself. Back. Back. Yes, this is correct. The difference is this needs to be not plus 8. This needs to be minus 8. And when you do down, it's supposed to be plus 8. That was the only difference. Do you know there's a note check to see if the shaders are done loading? Nope. I genuinely don't know. I would Google it. I'm sure people have options of doing it. There we go. I'm going to press it up and down. Up is up, down is down. And it stops at the correct place. Now, the only thing is I need to adjust the padding. Adjust the padding. So, let's try the padding here at like 20. How's that going to feel? That's better. That's better. So basically, I'm on the bottom row, right? And it's just not exactly at the very bottom. So there's a little bit of padding now. And there's a little bit of padding above, which also allows you to see the cards. Very nice. Yeah, guys, well, have a good night. Get some good sleep. Some rest. So, that was surprisingly simple to do a custom navigation then. I don't need to do next, previous, and valid. The only thing is, do I want to loop it backwards? I think I do. What I mean is, right now, if I am checking, right, I'm in the top left corner. If I press, oh, it already loops backwards. It doesn't loop when I press up, but then I just press left and I can get it here. Okay. Oh, this is good. And I like that it animates it. Oh, let's move the move it a little to the right, because it's all the way in the left and all the way in the top. So let's Well, we don't need to do that here. We do that here. So here we go. Ooh. Overlay. Here's padding. Okay. Padding left 20. Right is fine. We'll have padding on top in a moment. Oh. Maybe not this kind of padding. No. Let's undo that. Let's do it here. Let's add the padding here. Let's maybe like do like 15 left. ChatGPT says this, but I don't know how to do it yet. We'll learn. One approach involves using an asset manager or async loading nodes, where you can load assets asynchronously and then get a callback once they're fully loaded. So I think async loading nodes. I mean, yeah, that's C++ talk. Also, not everything ChatGPT says is a thing. Just sometimes it just craps things out that is like sounds correct, and maybe somewhere under some scenario it is correct, but just not in your specific scenario. So just keep that in mind. It isn't like you. What I would do is I would look up the asset, what an asset manager is, and I would look up like async loading nodes in Unreal and see if you could find information about that. You become good friends with ChatGPT. She fixed your river. She. Well, alrighty then. I see you've been well acquainted then. Okay. What I'm gonna do is I'll wrap it with probably a vertical box. Wait, what did I say? Replace? I might wrap with, not replace with. Okay. There's a read aloud button. It has a default girl. Oh, do you have like the pro version of ChatGPT, the paid version? Because there's no read aloud button for me. So that's not a thing for me. I don't pay for it. Oh wait, there is a button. I do see a button. Hold on.
Written with kanji but without the readings. 狼と少年。ある村に一人の少年が住んでいました。少年は毎日羊を見守る仕事をしていました。ある日、少年は退屈になり、狼だ、狼が来た。
That's impressive. I didn't realize this part. Wow. I just learned an extra good use for ChatGPT. Like learning language. Practice listening too. Now, it might not be completely accurate, but so neither is the writing. Might not be completely accurate. Yeah. Thanks for that. That's kind of nice. Okay. Next up, we need to rebuild this with common UI. Now,
Ads are here. Pausing for ads.
nothing here really needs to be common UI, except the whole thing as itself. So I might be able to get away with just changing the parent. But I'll duplicate it and then go from there. But I'll do it after that, of course. It's also combed the deepest depths of knowledge it has acquired and setting you right about Atlantis. You need to get with an No, hold on. You need to get with an archaeologist to go there? Or you need to go with an archaeologist to go there? Because one is, you know, going with someone. One is, like, dating someone. I just want to make sure. Did it tell you to go date an archaeologist if you wanted to go there? Because... I mean, if you dated one, they probably would also take you. It might cost more or less depending how you look at it. Have I ever seen the Eye of Ra or Eye of Horus? I mean, I'm sure I've seen it. I've studied Japanese. I've studied Egyptian history at one point or another. Pretty sure that's Egyptian. And I'll be honest, I'm not basing that answer off of my knowledge of Egyptian history, which is barely there still. I am I'm basing the fact that I know Eye of Ra and Eye of Horus from Yu-Gi-Oh! That is my knowledge. That's like, yeah, Yu-Gi-Oh! Is Egyptian, so yeah, I think that's Egypt history. Okay, let's see the deck builder deck. This needs to go to deck builder. No, oops. Here, if I don't need this whole set mouse position. That's just that can all just go. So here I need to class settings, common user widget reparent. There we go. Nice. Which means I can keep pretty much everything else the same. I don't need a canvas panel. Wrap with, let's do an overlay. And then replace with child. Okay. So then here, I need to do CWB, deck builder deck, and bam! Oh, that works beautifully. Oh, it's beautiful. Now, we have a slight problem here. I'm going to need to adjust that. So it seems under the hood, it's also doing like a... I might need to do instant. Let's see if we can fix that. Oh, it is instant. Oh. Okay. Oh, it's not instant because it's here. It's not instant. Does that help? So, here. Press down. You saw how it flashed for a moment? We'll need to do something about that. We'll need to do something about that. Hello, Kool-Aid Jimmy. Welcome in. How's it going? Doing well? You're able to live on TikTok? I mean, as long as you enjoy it, I guess have fun. Return the animated part here. Yeah, we'll adjust that later. Let's go back to the deck. Here, I need a... use a regular image. Let's just do it for the background. Actually, let's use a lazy image. Okay, so we do auto. Stint it. Why? Oh, what? Oh, it's in the horizontal box. Oh. No. I need it outside the horizontal box. I see it as the background and then fill. Actually, I can probably see it here. There you go. And Ashran, welcome in. How's it going? Hope you're doing well. Things are looking good. We found a small issue. See how when I go down, it pops the card open? It seems that Common UI is using the same system that I was using, which is basically faking moving your mouse. And so it goes to, for some reason, too far when it scrolls down. And then like, oh, no, you're not there. So I'll need to figure out a workaround for that. Yeah. Figure out the workaround. But one thing at a time. I should just go back to the deck builder. I need to now be able to swap between them. Okay, here. I need a, I think I need an enum. And I think I already made the card mode. Selected area. That's right. And grab the old deck builder. So we can just grab this. Select the area. It's clear I didn't copy that. Okay, so now we can get access to anything else we need. Okay, so here we need to do on. Oh, wait. I placed it to the wrong place. Here. What else do we need? I'll need a player ref. And why do I need a game mode reference? Oh, I'm setting the game mode reference. I don't need it. I'm just setting it. And saving it. So that's why it's there. Okay. So what we can do now is in the deck builder. I'm sorry, in the new deck builder. Here. We do a switch. If it's collection, it does this. If it's the deck, it's this. Sword doesn't, I don't really need it right now, so. Oh, sorry, I don't want a deck. I wanted a deck. Gets grid. And then gets child at 0. Let's do that for now. We'll do the same thing, same kind of setup afterwards. And then what I want to do is I want a mouse move. Get one on key down. Okay, do I need all of this or not? Let's see what we actually need to get. I do want this because I want to have the exit finally implemented. I don't need the controller card selection, though. I don't need anything except this part. I do need this part. Selecting. Do I? Sort of. Sort of. Let's just copy this and then. All right. Wait. It's on key down. Okay, so here, if it's not one of these, I want to check if it is, I want to check if it is actually equal to right shoulder and then left shoulder. If it is equal to right shoulder, then setting it to collection. Setting it to deck. And if it's left shoulder, we set it to collection. So we can still do the collection right here. I press the right. What? Oh, card deck version. Let's fix that. Oh, I haven't set up the deck version of the card yet. Yeah, we gotta do that. This works. Press this. No. Okay, well, we need to set up the deck version of the card. Shall return. You're putting Sonic 2 on for some kids. Some cool kids, clearly, because you spell with a Z. Those are some cool kids. We all know the kids are just, if they're cool, they're kids. Right? Everyone knows this. Let's see if this just triggers. Deck. Okay. So it does work. It just... It doesn't work. Also, I can't exit out. For some reason, this ain't triggering. Okay. That worked. If I do this, then press select. Oh, it works. Press escape. That works. Sometimes you just have to add a print string, and then it'll just like, oh yeah, I can work. Yeah, that's right. Sorry, I was confused. More things have been solved by just adding a print string and just checking again than I'd like to admit. Honestly. Okay. So let's make a new card. So honestly, I'm gonna duplicate CWB card to just CWB deck card. Because a lot of this I want to keep. Some stuff I don't. For example, the selection bars are going bye-bye. You don't need those. The card atom we don't need. The overlays to adjust. Okay, let's go top to bottom. Card image. Actually, let me do better. Let's go to the old card and just grab all the information from there. Background. Oh, which we no longer need. Don't need a background. Hard mask, deck version. Then this is the name background, or also known as title background. This is the next retainer box. Good. The vertical box, which is the title, which we can keep as is. And then the card outline. So we don't need the dual switcher. The entire thing can go away. The whole unstackable can go away. The outline needs a new thing. And then the other overlays can go away. Okay. The only thing... So what's... Oh, and you need to be... Are you as big as you are? It's not you. That's the problem. It's Q. That's the problem. Why are you... Something else is the problem? Okay. This is the problem. Oh, size box. It's wrapped in a size box. Of course, it's the size I don't want because I specified the size. Let me just double check the size I'm supposed to be using. Cards. Deck version. Size is 650 by 730. Oh, then we need to move the tile. Ta-da! And we get all sorts of errors. Also, you could probably just... Is there anything here? I think we just go ahead and kill everything. And just repaste it. I don't want to kill this. You focus that. Yep. Yeah, so card info. It'll be easier. Variables, I think most are going to be the same. Again, I'm just going to clear it all. Unless I'm using it right now. I'll button held down. It's here. I guess I could have just clicked delete unused variables. That would have been easier. That would have been easier. It's right there. That's all we need here. Okay. Oh, I also need to grab the menu anchor. I don't suppose there's a common version? No. There is not. Okay. Okay. Okay, do we need this on key down? No, literally. Okay, just delete it. I think I was doing tests. I do need this on button down. Is it on mouse button down? Is it different? Oh, I need to change this to be a CWB card deck card. Yeah. On up. I think it's the same. Looks the same. And drag detected. I need to change the card here. Feels fine. Preview mode. Why is it complaining here? Failed building connection with CWB card object reference is not compatible with self reference at create widget. What? Okay. Even though it's the same one. Sure. Sure, you know what? I'll recreate it. I don't mind. Okay. And then I need to plug in it here. I wonder if this works now in common UI. If the issue I had from before was only in this version.
Ads are here. Pausing for ads.
Just gonna finish copying them. Not missing anything. File. Okay. Why is it? What is this? Oh, because the reset outline is no longer a thing. Yep. It was just this. Just open, close. Copy. No problem. No problem. Things are progressing much more smoothly today, which is good. I always like when things progress more better. Yeah. Oh, I had some drop frames. Did I? Yeah, I had like drop frames at one point. When that happened? Okay, hopefully I won't drop anymore. Okay, I need this. Which happens whenever, not just in deck building mode. I guess I should, you know what? Let's copy this entire thing. Okay, so we still are using reset outline and mouse button up. Is it just this that's different? Gotta hold down, whether it's a deck builder. Okay, slightly different here. Copy. Paste. Did you know how it doesn't let you delete the return unless you have yeah, unless you have it. Image card icon. Oh, because it's named differently. It's card image. This needs to be replaced. Okay. Okay. I don't know if I used this set card default state. No, I don't. Because I was looking at it, I was like, I don't think I'm ever setting it to be gold. But. Okay, so we've copied everything over. It is now set up for this. So now, inside of the deck builder deck, the deck builder, yeah, deck. When we do generate deck cards, to change this to be deck card. Yeah. So to deck builder to be true. I don't know why I would have deck builder off at some point. This seems odd, actually. Where do I use the deck builder variable? Oh, if it's not a deck builder, then I never need this. I never need this held down thing. Unhovered. I think I can remove it. I think I just removed the whole click and drag because I shouldn't need it. This I need. This I need. But this... Oh, hold to confirm. Call selected button. I don't think we need this. I don't know why I had this. Okay. So now here, we can refresh that. That goes away. This becomes with it shouldn't matter, but also to be deck available. Okay, then we do a bind event to card. Oh, I don't have the move card event though. Wrong thing. Well, welcome in, Ed Tomash. And thank you. I don't know if I deserve it, but thank you. This is the card collection. This is the old card collection. Where's my card deck version? No. Deck. Deck builder deck. I guess it closed at an exit. I need this. Oh, I do have it here. It's right here. Oh, move card. Oh, it's because this is no longer correct. This needs to be card, a card. means here. I can set move card. There we go. Okay. So from here. We can do set card info. Record scale. And then add this child to grid. Everything else can stay the same. File. So now we're adding the correct thing. Now I still can't do the move functionality, but this part should now work. It's focusable with the common user widget. Okay. Oh, that also needs to be. Let's go to the menu anchor here. This is on get user menu context. I didn't copy that. Oh, I did. I just didn't. I need to assign it. So now, okay, so we have it, but it's backwards. Why is it backwards? How did I manage that one? Unhovered. Oh, yeah, it's literally backwards. Hovered. Unhovered. Now the only other thing I need to do is change the position of it, because clearly I copied it, but clearly didn't get copied properly. I need match bottom left corner. Why is that not working? Why is it above? If I uncheck fit in window, is that the problem? I don't know why that would be the problem. No. Going on. Oh, WB card. No. This needs to be great. Widget. TWB card. Preview mode. Set card info. Make I don't know if I need that. Find out. Find out. Um. Okay, why? Why is it not doing the same thing as it did before? I'm not trying to remove parent. Oh. Yes, because it's not the right thing anymore. Okay, yeah. I'll need to fix it. I'll leave the error as it is. I'll need to adjust it later. What I'm curious is why does this pop up the way it does? This doesn't. Because in the in here, I have it set to menu class WB card, match button left corner. That's probably why. Still WB card. CWB card. Match button left corner. Is that why? No. That works. Works. Okay. If I did center. If I did center, what happens? Why is it... Why is it there? Oh, is the problem that... if I say match button left corner, hold on. Is it... Oh, it's not... Yeah, the alignment got also reset. That I now remember why I had the thing to turn off hit testable. That's why. So and I don't have that, so let me go here. Not hit testable card. I need to do it on CW card. Make not hit testable. Then add it. There we go. Ooh, okay, hold on. We have the same problem as we had before. See, the text does the bad thing. So that's not fixed even with the new setup. So I can go to WB card, design. So I need to search wrap 255. Wrap. Don't auto wrap. 55. No auto wrapping. 255. Because for some reason, that is the fix. I don't know why. That issue. There we go. Now it no longer does the little spaz out, which we don't want. Excellent. Okay. Next up, let's fix up the numbers. Here should be on the event graph. Does it not? Oh no, it's not on the event graph. It's on this widget. It's a variable. Excellent. Oh, here it is. On drop, I use this to add to deck and add to deck. Okay. Okay. While ads are going, I'll be right back because they're starting now. And after.
Ads are here. Pausing for ads.
I'm back. Hello. Welcome in. How's it going? Don't say hi yet. I'm going to make coffee. Well, too late. Why did you say hi then? I guess you're probably gone. So you can't hear me. Active deck is there. On drop. What about current deck size? It should be on generate too. Why am I not doing this on generate? Why am I not doing this on generate? Wait, how is it getting the info? Oh, is it getting the info from the deck builder? And I don't have that copied over, do I? That's probably it. If I go to event graph, yeah, there's all of this. Okay. This doesn't need to be a thing. Setting the game UI. Then we go with the collection and the deck builder deck. Oh, which needs wait. Wait a second. Wait, what? This is not a thing. Why is this not a thing? What happened to it? Okay. I'll pretend like I know what happened. Let's see. This anymore. Those. Okay, let's just remove that. Then this doesn't need to be a thing anymore. Am I using this anywhere now? Yes. Ah, okay, and here is where we set it. Get still the deck slot info. That can now be there. Generate available cards. And deck. Generate available cards. Okay. I don't have the search bar implemented yet. So. I guess this whole part is not implemented yet. So, you know what? I'll just remove it for now. Deal with it later. One thing at a time. One thing at a time. 0 to 0. Why 0 to 0? Access not training. Oh, because there's no player reference. Okay. Let's actually set up this to be CWB deck builder. Then the game mode needs actually just open it from here. So here we need the player referee we already got. Cards. So this is going to be the CWB deck builder. CWB collection. change it to actually. I'm gonna undo this. I'm gonna duplicate them and name them the correct thing. So that way I don't break the other one just yet. See, that would be collection. Card collection. So when you, because the collection I might keep as is. No, I want it to also be navigatable, so no. Set see deck builder. So that's being set now, which means in the deck builder deck, on key down here we do get CWB. Oh, deck builder. CWB deck builder from parent. That's from the deck, and I probably need to do the same thing for production. But I don't have an override. Do I need an override for this one? Hole? What? What you talking about? Did I not spawn the right thing? No, I didn't. Your coffee's taking a while. YouTube chat spaz on you. Not your fault. Sure. It's all YouTube chat's fault. Oh, blame YouTube. All good. So what's going on now? I do this and I press 2. Oh, okay. So something's going on. Access not trying to read property player ref. Why? It's exposed. Do I need to refresh this? Oh, it's because I opened it through here. Let's fix that. So what happened? Why is it now? What happened? It was working. What happened? Oh, it's because... Oh, I'm no longer setting the default. So the default is none. Select area. I'm going to change the default to collection. And now it's working. That is going to be a problem. That is a problem. In a sense, I can now go here and now swap between these, and then go back here. That's not quite what I have in mind. The 99 is working though, so that's good. Okay. Okay. How do we get around this? What if I, on the deck card, for this guy, did it only on the bottom? So let's try controller. This works. Nope, not even then. Well, poop. How do we get around this? I think I just don't have it automatically happen. I need to do a check here where this only happens when I have it selected. So deck active. So if the deck is active, then we do this. Otherwise, we don't. I think that's going to be the easiest way of doing this. Hello, Theonis. Probably butchering that, but welcome. Hope you're doing well. Welcome. So that should fix the problem. We just need to set it when we can transition over to it. So if we go to here, no. Yes. Did I not copy over, on key down? Oh, I know I didn't set up this. I thought I did. Wait, what? Oh, here it is. No, I did. I did do this. So here, when we go onto deck mode, I need to get the deck and set what did I just call it? Wow. Oh, no, I need to do shit that's on a per card level. So I need to get access to all the cards. No, that's a little bit more difficult. What I can do, though, is pass the information of the deck builder they came from to the child on creation, and then have it check the variable on the deck builder, which would be easier. So, the deck builder deck, deck builder active, and then on the deck card, instead of this, I need to add a new variable, which is called owning deck. TWD deck builder deck. And here we can get deck builder active. Is this. Now you just set it. Yes, it is. It's just I haven't compiled it yet. I need to set it, and then we should be good. We just need to give access or information to the child when created. So here, we generate deck cards. We need to do set owning deck. Self. And now on the deck builder here, we can do set deck builder active. Yes, on the deck, no on the. So now, with it off by default, if I go here and I press down, it doesn't do it. And if I press... okay, so now I need a way of... If I do this and then I press this button, then it works. Ooh, why does it go back? Now it works. I don't... Why is it... Okay, I need to do a custom thing for the deck selection as well. You love the card art? Well, I'd love to take credit for the card art. But this is called temporary placements by Midjourney. Just temporary, art by Midjourney. But it's better to look at for the stream, for sure. Okay. Well, rip, it's still not too bad. Thank you. So for the grid panel here, up, stop, stop. I want to stop. Right should wrap. Left should wrap. Let's see. Can I just get away with this, or do I need to do custom? Okay, that works. It still maintains the selected thing. Okay. Okay. It still maintains selected. How do we do it? Get around that. I need a custom event here. Custom event. Close. Preview. Full preview. And then when I go here, I don't, just like the deck one, I don't know which one is selected. And if I do get child, get grid. Go get child at. I can't do. It's a generic reference. I. Oh, I just realized this also then doesn't work for the mouse. Okay, that's a problem. How do I detect if it's mouse controlled? Oh, can I do on... I do on mouse enter and mouse leave. On mouse enter. Bypasses everything. On mouse leave. Yeah, so this works now with a mouse. If I did this. Of this. If I move the mouse, okay, it automatically takes care of it because it's fake mouse dependent. So actually that works. If I move the mouse has left. So cool. So the next thing I need to do is figure out how do I tell it to realize that I need to swap. So what I need to do then is here. I need to set when you get desired focus target. Can I do just do this? It's now marked as Bluetooth callable. Can I be placed in graph? Activate widget. I just no. Focus target. If I deactivate it and then activate it. Deactivate widget. There we go. And it memorizes where you were last on the collection. It does the first one for the deck, but for the collection, it memorized where you were. So right now I'm on the speed, and if I go back to the deck, I'm at the first, but if I go back to the collection, it's on speed. Yeah! Oh, that's so good. That's the trick to it. We just need to deactivate and reactivate it, which forces it to get the desired focus again. Or I guess I can just do this. Oh no. No, this is different. Yeah. Desired focus. No. Set desired. I need to run that, but love the QOF for that. QOF. Quite a lot of fun. Quite a lot is a lot is one word. Quite a lot of fun. Quality of life. Wait, quality of life, but you said QOF, not QOL. And F and L are very far apart on the keyboard. I know what QOL is. That was very much not QOL. Quality of fun. Okay, we'll go with quality of fun. There we go. It's early, okay? I don't know what you're talking about. It's almost 9 p.m. Early. No, come on. I mean, it's early relative if you go to sleep very late. Yeah, I guess. We all know that the entire world runs on Pacific time. I mean, of course. How could it not? I'm assuming you're in Europe, and it's... Well, no, Europe is... Actually, yeah, Europe probably at this point... Yeah, it's probably early, right? Depending where you are in Europe. Depending also on the time zone, so... Oh, also, let me just double check. I can do this no matter what. If I do this, this works. If I do this, and I go up and down. Ooh. What happened there? Why is it... Oh, it's because it's doing on mouse enter, isn't it? I bet it's triggering off of this. Yep. Yep. Okay. South Africa. 7 a.m. right now. That is not a place I would have guessed. I mean, just statistically speaking. Very cool. 7 a.m. is not bad. Right? 7 a.m. is not bad. Okay, yeah, that didn't work the way I wanted it to. This doesn't solve the problem. Hey, Carver, welcome in. How's it going? We're doing wonderful words. Apparently, Finland and South Africa share the time zone. I mean, a lot of places, I'm sure, share the time zone. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, Africa and Europe are, depending on how you look at it, right, is up and down. That makes sense. Do you know if Africa has a daylight saving times? Yeah, well, that depends. Yeah, that's country to country. I wish they would remove daylight savings time here as well. One day. One day. Because right now, like, Guts, who's our mod, lives in a country where there is no daylight savings time. And I live in a place where there is. So all of a sudden, there's an extra hour difference in time between us. Because, of course there is. No, none of the weird timeline stuff happening on that side? Yeah. You got it good. Got it good. I need to detect mouse is mouse. If I did not a mouse button down, if I did a mouse move. Will it detect a mouse move? On mouse leaf. So it won't detect mouse enter technically. But, you know, why is mouse sleeve? Oh, because I'm dumb and I plugged it in to open. Let me swap these around. Let's have it open on top and close on the bottom. That makes more sense.
ads
Right,
are
so
here.
this works now.
Pausing for ads.
Still triggers it on mouse move. Poop. I need a way. Hey, Red Little Sleepy, welcome in. How's it going? Hope you're doing well. Try sync with server. Just let it slide this time. I am full blueprints. I don't do anything in C++. I wouldn't even know where to go for that. You were supposed to get rid of them a few years ago, but then the Congress went like, nah, let's not do that. Of course. Of course. When I was in college, I remember there were talks about getting rid of the time zones. I graduated over a decade ago. Not time zones. Daylight savings. You can't get rid of time zones. That's crazy. There were talks of getting rid of daylight savings like over a decade ago, and I remember my colleague brought it up like, "Oh, did you hear they're thinking about removing the daylight savings?" I'm like, "Yeah, they've been thinking about it for over a decade. They'll keep thinking about it." Okay. So, we gotta figure out how the hell to get around this little problem. Common UI is doing it the same way I did it before Common UI, which is moving the mouse into the area. We have a checkbox that gotta get some work. We'll have a good one. Bet. Hope your day at work goes well. Have a lovely rest of your day. We need a way of detecting if mouse is visible. Basically. Because it hides it. Visibility subsystem from player controller. Player controller. What's this get? What can we get from this? It's a testing section. This is PCG, physics object, sequencer, typed element. No. Utilities. It would be under its own thing. Something tells me it's not here. Okay, search comment, I don't get anything. Okay. Okay. I need a way of... What if I got the information from the... From the collection? But then if I move the mouse over the deck, I'd also want to. This is all working. That's the last part that I really need. Is a way of doing this with it without a controller now. Okay. Thinking. I think. This. So it moves the mouse. I don't know if, unless we got access to whether the mouse is visible. I don't know if there's a way of doing it. This is all user widgets. Nothing here is. Hold on. Get player controller. Is mouse get mouse not visibility. Show set show mouse cursor. There it is. Oh, I need get show mouse. Get show mouse cursor. This is what I want. Hold on. Is this let's put it here on a tick. I wonder if it's setting this. Yeah. It's untrue. Go here. It stops printing. Move it. Oh, it stops printing because it's no longer valid. Because it's not on the game mode. Let's not put it here. Let's put it on here. Event graph. Tick. True. If I move this though, mouse has totally disappeared, but it's still true. So it doesn't touch this. Get reference to self. Cursor. Wait, is this a e-mouse cursor enum? Why can I not do a switch off an enum? Select. Oh no, that's not the right thing. Has mouse capture. Oh, this one? False. Ah, it's all false. Okay, well, this one's always false. um. Okay. I probably need to hit up the Unreal Source Discord and be like, hey, what's up? Because I tried Googling it, and freaking Kami UI specifics is really hard. Unless there's documentation, but I really doubt that one. Yeah, there's a quick start guide. I mean, maybe it has something. Let's find out. Controller data binding, no. But styling, no. Nope. It really is the most basic. Okay. I'll need to figure out the trick to this then. As soon as we have it, we should be good to go. Yep. Pointer event. What can we do with this? Get cursor delta. Or does the distance the mouse traveled since the last event was handled? Ooh, hold on. Get cursor. Wait, delta. Why is it a? Oh, right. Knows the distance traveled. So let me just. On mouse enter. Print string. Okay, so it goes. If I go really fast, it'll go large numbers. 100. So I can't do based off of like the distance traveled. Because I was thinking maybe I can do like greater or less than a certain distance. But if it's the way it is, that's not gonna work. Well, what else do we have? We're trying to change last screen space position. Ooh, hold on. I'm up here. 935. 1227, 1070, 76. Negative 1118. So, yeah, it doesn't read it outside of its box, basically, so that doesn't help me either. Okay. I'll try to find the answer. I'll try to find the answer and let you guys know tomorrow, or what the hell the process is. Yeah, we just need to detect basically when the mouse vanishes and not, right? Because mouse is here. Then I press arrow, mouse is invisible. And I need to know when it's invisible and when it becomes visible. So I'll figure that out, let you guys know tomorrow. But for now, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. It's been got some good stuff done. Tomorrow we should finish up with the whole rework to Common UI by adding in the search and organization as well. And then we should have full controller support hopefully tomorrow for all this, which is awesome. So thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you guys tomorrow at 6:30 Pacific as always. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye. Good night.